Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Japan and Australia led Asian markets lower Monday as regional stocks and investor sentiment were hurt by continued uncertainty over the US government's partial shutdown and the upcoming debt ceiling debate. The shutdown, which dominated attention last week, remained a focus for Asia. The lack of significant developments over the weekend allowed regional markets to start the session higher and follow Friday's bounce on Wall Street, which rose as investors became more positive that politicians will be able to resolve the budget impasse in the US. There was also some bad news specifically for Asia, as the World Bank cut its 2013 growth forecast for East Asian economies due to slower growth in China and other countries in the region. Japan's Nikkei led the falls with a 1% drop. There was also caution over the upcoming debate in the US over the debt ceiling. On Sunday, House Speaker John Boehner would not bring up bills to fully reopen the government or increase the borrowing limit unless Democrats agreed to broader talk aimed at cutting the deficit. The euro continues to trade within recent ranges, however managed to extend to its highest level since early February against the US dollar, reaching highs of 1.3631 and capping weekly gains of 0.2%. The Eurozone is finally beginning to see signs of organic and natural growth, enabling the European Central Bank to remain steadfast in its stimulus neutrality. President Mario Draghi reiterated that the ECB is ready to act but not in a hurry to administer additional stimulus. Monday is a light day for economic reports, although maintaining an informed perspective on the US macro trend will suffer if the data blackout via the government shutdown rolls on. EU Sentex Investor Confidence Index 8:30 GMT. Last week's surprisingly bullish update on EU retail sales suggests we'll see more persuasive numbers in the weeks ahead. In last month's report, Eurozone sentiment among investors was positive for the first time since 2011. Considering the upbeat news with retail sales last week, today's Sentex number will probably offer another reason to think that Europe's recession has finally faded into the history books. It was the latest market news provided by ICA FX. Goodbye.